guys! Today is already Tuesday, August 1 actually. Ang tagal naming mga ilang araw din akong walang vlog guys. Kasi busy ako lately. And then ngayon, nagka-time ako mag-vlog kasi magluluto ako tonight. Meron kaming bisita tonight. Dito magdi-dinner sa amin yung friend ko, yung laging kasama ko pag umalis. So yun guys, magluluto ko today ng caldereta for them. So ready ko na yung mga ingredients. Carrots, a potato. Nagpabili pa ako kay Craig ng red na bell pepper. Pero mag-a-add na lang din ako nito para konting spicy. And then meron na din tayo ditong liver spread para masarap yung lasa ng ating caldereta. So, nakaluto na ako nito dati pero hindi ko siya nalagyan nitong liver spread kasi hindi ko siya nakita noon yun kung saan nakalagay that time. But yeah, so yun guys, magluluto ako tonight. And pasensya na kayo kung wala tayong vlog this past few weeks or days kasi nga masyado akong busy, lagi akong nasa labas. And hindi naman ako makahawak ng ano kasi I'm looking for work nga guys, and then soon meron din akong ibabalita sa inyo soon, basta saka na pag ready na siya malalaman niyo naman yun. So yun guys, luto tayo today. So ito yung suot ko and yung aking workout guys ay gumagana na, so I love it. Medyo lumiit na yung dito ko and then yung mga braso ko and then yung back. So, ayan, makikita nyo na hindi na siya katulad dati na parang nakukuba na ako sa medyo fats ko sa likod and then yung braso ko lumiit na din. So, ayan. Magluluto lang ako and then ready ko na lang din yung table namin para sa ating mga bisita tonight. Mag-wine ata kami. Hindi naman ako nag-wine talaga pero dahil may bisita tayo, mag-pretend tayo. Pero pwede naman na iba lang yung iinumin ko mamaya. Malinis naman ito. So, yun guys, mag-prepare lang tayo. Mag-start na akong magluto kasi baka matagal din yung beef. Sabi ko kasi 6. Pwede na sila dito kasi matatapos naman yung work ni Craig ng 6. And then, magluluto ako ng yung matamis condensed, ano ba ito? Leche plant. Yan yung aming dessert. Magle-leche plant lang. Para hindi masyadong complicated yung ating, ano. So, yun. I-ready ko na din yung leche plant. Pwede ko naman siyang lutuin na. Kasi kakainin naman ng malamig yung leche plant, diba? But for now, hihiwain ko lang muna itong ating mga ingredients. I-prepare natin yung table. Nung last time na kumain ako sa bahay nila, ang ganda pa naman ng table settings niya. Matagal na siya dito eh. May edad natin siya. 50 plus na siya. Then may namit akong isang Pilipina din kanina. So yun guys, gusto ko man sana talaga mag-vlog everyday, pero mahirap talaga. Ewan ko kung kakain din yung anak niya nito, pero kung kakain siya, di okay lang din. Ito yung gagamitin kong table napkin, yung Mr. and Mrs. Kasal namin to dati ni Craig. Ayan. Kuha tayo ng mga spoon and so, pwede ko namang tanggalin yung Mr. and Mrs.
Zero.
Nara Warren.
Never learn.
Ooh, it's very, very, very. Hi guys! Hello everyone. Happy Saturday. Today is Saturday. Anong date ba? Ngayon. August 3 na guys. So, Saturday. So, yung last vlog ko na hindi ko natapos nung dito kumain yung friend ko ng dinner. So, idudugtong ko na lang to guys. Hindi ko siya natapos that time kasi ang dami kong nilinis afterwards. So, ngayon, mag-vlog ako. Alis kami ni Craig. Naubos na yung aking magic lipstick.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning, my love. Ito yung aking ano guys. Yung magic lipstick na sa Pilipinas ko binili. Wala na, paubos na. Gusto ko kasi siyang ano. Naghanap ako dito ng magic lipstick. Wala talaga sila. Kaya pag uwi ako, bibili ako ng maramihan ito. It's vlog for today. Tagal namin ko lang upload. Mga isang linggo din akong walang upload. Hindi ako nag-vlog guys. Tinatamad ako. You look so guapo, my love.
Thank you, bud. You look very beautiful. This is a brand new mobile.
Yeah, I know it's always like that. It's like
Not always. It's not now.
Yeah, it's just... So tara na guys, alis na tayo! Magbibihis lang ako ng jacket. My love, you didn't put that in the fridge.
That's okay.
That's alright?
Yeah, we go.
So, hindi ko alam kung mainit. Ay, hindi ko alam kung malamig sa labas. Pero gusto kong feel kong mag-heels today. Kaya mag-heels tayo. Susuot lang ako ng maliit na socks. So, yeah. Yan, suot tayo nito. In case malamig. At least meron akong nakaano dito. Kung malamig. There you go. I'm on.
Very fancy, babe.
It's alright.
Fashion.
I feel like I want to wear heels today.
Mm-hmm.
Feel like. So guys.
Phone call from Microsoft at some point, but
Okay, we can wait if you want.
no, I don't need to wait. I've got the phone. I can take it with me.
So yun
That's
guys.
how phones
Yeah.
work, babe.
Nabili ko to sa Susan. This is what I get in Susan. My love.
Yep.
That pants.
Oh, is
Yes.
Okay.
It's sale. Before it's 89 and I got it for 25.
Pants.
Yeah.
Wow, babe. Bargain.
So I like it. Come on, babe. Fancy. So I will drive.
You can drive?
Where are we going? So, hi everyone! We're in the car now, guys. So, magano kami? Magbi-bib day lang kami, guys. Pupunta kami and mag-late breakfast or brunch. Okay. Dito kami punta, guys. Oh, importer. Tingin-tingin lang.
So we've got our dining table.
Vlog, right?
Yeah.
Dami sila dito, guys. Oh. 20. Oh, I like these.
Pretty cheap, aren't they?
It's 20 before it's 73.
Mm.
I like this kind of
Yeah?
dress.
$20 is all right.
Yeah. Ang dami nilang ano dito guys, oh. Tommy. Yung mga gusto ko mga vase guys. Oh, mga ganyan. It's expensive, isn't it? This one. I like this one. See? To put in this, I like this one guys. Para sa aming living room. It's cute. Guys, mura lang yung anong ganda ng material. This one, the color I got. It's only 29. And that one. Guys, tapos na kami dun sa aming inikot-ikutan. Nakabili ako ng robe. Maganda siya, mura lang. Last time yung nabili ko ang mamahal. Ang dami nilang sale, ang daming house decoration. Hindi ko na lang alam kung where I'm going to put them if we will get something, but I really like to get the chair. It's sale, but it's still expensive. We will wait until they will sale more. So yun guys, maghanap lang kami ni Beb ng makakainan. Wala pa akong breakfast. Did you eat breakfast, Malab?
No, babe.
No? Okay. So we're going to have breakfast. Actually lunch now because it's 11:34 already. It's brunch. Yep. Brunch. So yun lang guys, we will just vlog again later. Bye! Bye babe!
Bye.
Love. So we're going there guys to have
Bye.
I'm vlogging lunch. Here guys. To my favorite. Mine is this. And my baby is having coffee. Kain big here. Let's eat guys. Kain tayo guys. It's hot. It's hot. Yummy. I put lemon on that bed. Music. Is the salad yummy? Yes? May dito sa nursery guys. Bili kami plants. So guys, tapos na kami dun sa nursery. Nakabili ako ng vase. This is the flower vase again. And bumili ako ng room spray. Yung paborito naming babang. And then bumili ako ng display. Yung bang display na ganito. And then another plant. And of course my robe earlier. So that's it. And now we're heading to get our dinner for tonight. We will gonna have a roast pork. Last time I just said we're trying not to eat pork. But it's been a long time, so I think it's alright.
Every now and again is okay, but
Yeah, it's not every day. So we have a roast pork and then vegetables. That's gonna be our dinner for tonight. And see you again in our house, guys. That's our Saturday. It's not done yet, but it's already 4:15.
close, isn't it? Go
Yeah,
fast.
and tomorrow again, Sunday. So yun lang guys. See you again later. Bye. Bahay na kami guys. dinner. What is this? Malak pork belly.
No, just roast pork.
Roast pork. Roast pork. And vegetables. Did you wash?
No, I'm going to cut this first because we'll probably save some.
Sorry. Sorry. Art is cooking dinner, guys. Ito yan yung pala yung nabili ko kanina. Oh. Panibagong. Yeah. It's cute lang.
How many bits of broccoli will you eat, babe? 3?
I will just have 3. Oh, I will put food.
Yeah, because I've got cauliflower as well today.
Yep. That's good. That's perfect.
Broccoli with something?
Huh?
Broccoli with
Yeah, we can use that for something. Kasi iwan kung saan ko yan ilalagay, guys. Hanapin ko pa ng plants. Kasi tinanggal ko siya dito. Anyway. Kain tayo ng isda. Buhay na buhay pa ang aming isda. Lumaki na sila. Hello, babies. Hello, babies. Aww. Hungry. Wants to eat too. They know if I go near to them, they know that I'm going to feed them. So, yan. Nagagawa na sila. Kainin natin. So, ganito lang yung pinapakain ko, guys. Very little. So, tingnan nyo sila. Ganyan. Tadaan! So, yan na. Kakainin sila. Eat, babies! Eat, babies! What? There's more there. Come on. Kakain na yan sila. Diyan. Ang cute. Ang laki na nitong isa. Yan o. Yan siya o. Ang laki niya na. Sana mabuhay sila ng mas malaki pa. Eat. Siguro natigasan sila kasi yung iba malalaki. Pero they're doing well. Good job.
What?
Yes. Yan guys, yung aming ano. Aming hapunan. So, masakit yung tiyan ko ngayon. Masakit yung tiyan ko kasi meron ako. Dinudugo ako ngayon. Kaya masakit. So, hayaan ko siya dyan. Upo lang ako dito. Chill day. So, ito na yung binabasa kong libro, guys. Ni Robert Greene. So, ang ganda. So, good. Hanggang dito na yung nabasa ko. Kasi yung dalawa na una ko nang binasa. What? What, my love?
I'm just waiting on the broccoli.
No worries. So, yan guys. Ang ganda. Ito ang nabili kong sleeper sa loob ng bahay. Mura lang siya. Size small. Sa Susan. So, ang cute. Velvet. So, yun yung aking pangbahay. Very cute. Comfy. Pag malamig. Kain guys. Yan yung aming dinner. Oh, wow! Yum. Meron pa kami.
Did you want to put your gravy on before the...
Yep. Let's put gravy on it. Just stir out there. So love gravy. Love gravy. Very.
Yeah, baby, go and eat. I'll fix it.
Bye. I think we will gonna have in the lab.
Are you on the table?
Yeah. So because our back. So yun guys, kain lang kami guys. Bye-bye.
Even if they don't know what Jack the Ripper did.
He was a terrible killer, Jack the Ripper, yeah. And he was never caught or punished. What a clever fellow he is.
It happened in Victorian times in London, but there are books about Jack the Ripper written in Japanese,
Yummy.
Chinese,
Kain lang kami guys.
so the names are out everywhere.
Bye, Beb. Enjoy your food, Beb.
Jeff is taking on.
Enjoy your food, Beb.
Thank you, babe. I will. Yummy.
Thank you, Beb, for cooking.
Nah, I didn't do much, babe. There's only veggies.
Yep.